hopefully you can hear me. We are in Eurotos, so we thought we'd take it for a drive and show you what this car's all about. Remember, this is talk time with Peter. So this is my sister's fully built 355 stroker, high comp, custom grind, grout filled, reed speed driven, absolute handful. This has an amazing amount of torque. It's got the full Haltech package thrown at it. When this car was getting built, there obviously wasn't like the UC10 and all that, so it's got an IC7 in it. It's got the Haltech 2500 Elite, full Devonish trim. Like, this thing's a hamburger with a lot, everyone. This thing is a hamburger with a lot. It's quite an aggressive car to drive, but like, it has street manners, but not all at the same time. It's like hard to describe. Has a huge 5,500 converter, bagged all round. This thing snaps necks. Absolute beautiful car. Yeah, that's good. Hey, you guys can hear the mighty 355 roaring. It just loves it. Just wants to go, you know what I mean? She has spent years building this car. This car's been getting built for the last 5 years. She's had her ups and downs. It's completely engineered for the bags, engineered for everything. So it's on end plates. The poor thing got as she was driving to Chapel Street one night, we'll take the cars out, right? As she was driving to Chapel Street one night, bang, got pulled over, major defect off the road. Which is a shame. Spent a lot of money on this car. And then, spent a whole ton more money getting it all engineered, but it's done. It's back. It's on the road. And I thought, I've had a lot of requests. About getting a video of this car since it's been on Street Machine. And I was like, let's do it. It's a beautiful day today, Melbourne. I'm like, let's get it out. I'll take it for a bit of a spin, and you can hear it, you can see what it's about. And yeah, absolute weapon of a car. I love driving this thing. You know, and you'd think, right, with the big 20s, low bags and drive bad. This thing drives grouse. I love that. It's got the coilover bag system. It's a really nice tight feeling. It's not as boaty as a normal Statesman or Caprice generally would be. Like, you know, like if you see me driving the VN, it's like woo, woo. It's like, but this thing's tight. It's still got the Variatronic steering as well. So after everything that's been done to this car, it still has the factory Variatronic steering, which I love. At low RPM, it loosens up. At high speed, it tightens. I love that feature from VQ, pretty much all the way to what was it, series? Oh, hello. VQ all the way to VX. Then after that, they got rid of them. It's a shame. It's a shame because it's such an awesome. Like, I love the feel of the steering with a Variatronic rack. I know some people have issues with it, blah, 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 but for me personally, I love it. I love it. And trust me, this thing shreds the tyres like no tomorrow. It's all torque, you know what I mean? It's just all torque. So you romp it and it's just bang, just blazes tires. A lot of people are like, yeah, you know, I've had 5 litres and I've had strokers and they're slow and this and that. Look, I understand that, but a basic 355 stroker kit, yeah, look, it makes them quick, but it's nothing like this. Like a car built like this, like a properly built one. People that know, people that have spent money on a 5 litre will tell you to build one properly, it's a lot of money to do it right. You know, I've had one of those basic 355 cars as well. I've had a 355 Vortec blown Senator, and it was quick, don't get me wrong, but it didn't feel as raw and as torquey as this. It didn't feel anything like this at all. This thing just feels like it's on another level, like, if that makes sense. I'm just sitting here at the lights and bloke next to me doesn't even know what to say. He just keeps looking, just like, hold it down. But does that, like, you know, it's hard to put into words, like, what a car like this generally feels like. It just wants to go. It's just sitting here, it's just like, come on, let's go. I love it. It's sick. What a cruiser. Hands off to my sister for building something so cool and so recognised. This thing, everyone knows this car. Like in the Statesman Caprice scene. It's like, come on, let's go, come on. It's just so aggressive. This thing can sit in traffic, no problem. Traffic, no problem, you know what I mean? It's like, it's borderline of maniac and well-mannered. And I've got all the windows up right now, just so hopefully you guys can hear me well, because with the windows down, it's pretty loud out there. Melbourne producing the goods today. Thank you very much, Melbourne. Love it. As everyone knows, you know, I'm a big LS guy. A lot of people know that I'm a massive LS guy. I love my LSs. But when it comes to 5 litres at this level, oh, give me this any day of the week. Oh, you know what I mean? Give me this any day of the week. Just that raw 5 litre power. Man, Holden did such an amazing thing with these motors. Like, they weren't rocket ships, but they sounded just the sound is amazing. And that's what makes these older cars so cool. The sound, the vibrations, just the feel of the road, just everything. You know, there's not some fandangled computer telling you what to do. These were such a basic car, and I love it. Jump into my old VN shortly when I'm done this video and drive back and go, wow, this thing is slow. I'm going from this thing to that on the way home, and now it's gonna feel so slow. Oh god. Sorry, just making sure I'm avoiding all the potholes. Like next to me loved it, gave me a big old thumbs up, you know, I had to give him a big old thumbs up back and a little rev, you know, loved it. I love it. Oh. See, you know, where everyone's trying to get rid of these petrol cars and get all bloody electric and this and that, and driving a big old V8 like this just puts a smile on people's faces. You can see it, you know, you get your thumbs up, you get that big smile. Oh, you haven't seen one of them in so long, or hear it, or that sweet sound. Ah. What can you do, you know? Oh, and a HQ Tunner was just going down the other way. Beautiful. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful car. I love seeing old Aussie cars out on the road. It's so saddening that you just don't see them out anymore. Like, I know a lot of people got them tucked away. Just drive them, guys. Enjoy them. Me and my family, like, we don't have any sort of, like, we drive our cars. I couldn't just, like, I know this is just me, I don't know, I'm just weird, or my brain, or what it is, but I can't just go out and buy, like, a little Mazda or an i30 and drive that as like an everyday car. I couldn't do it. I just can't. I'd rather sit there and keep driving my Senator, or keep taking the VN out, or the VP, or any of my cars. It's just got to be driven, guys. You know, enjoy them. While you have them, enjoy the cars. Like, I know people say, oh, you know, it's hard to afford to drive a Commodore, blah, blah. Honestly, like, to be brutally honest, you could, like, let's say, as an example, a VS or a VS Calais, alright? VS Calais, electrics, climate control, beautiful car, right? Just an Ecotec. You know, they're actually, even a 5 litre, alright? Even a 5 litre, they're actually not that bad on fuel. To be completely honest with you, they're not that bad on fuel. This is leaving a stock. I'm talking about stock, right? Like, I remember driving around my my VN Clubby. I drove that around as a daily for a while, and that thing, $100 of fuel, and it used to last me nearly 2 weeks. It was grouse. Just a stock 5 litre manual. You know, no, it just had a 2.5-inch exhaust, catback, and that's it. Factory headers, factory cat. And it actually wasn't bad on fuel. And it's something you can drive and enjoy, you know. It's like, let's say like a a VS 5 litre Calais, you'd be, people say you can't, but you can still pick them up for under 10 grand, you know, cheap, not that, you know, pretty economical, easy to work on. A 5 litre or like an Ecotech or something that's so basic and easy to work on, guys. Commodore parts are still pretty common, cheap. I don't know, that's just my take on it. That's just my little take on it, right? Where I see cars now being like throwaway cars. All these new cars that you see now are all just bin cars. They're just throwaway cars. So something goes wrong with them, that's right, throw it, just scrap it, we'll just get another one. I see it as such a waste. Keeping old cars alive now, that's what we should be doing. Keep the dream alive, everyone. Everyone just needs to keep the dream alive. We can do it, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely, everyone. Let's give this one last little rip, hey? Woo! Anyway, everyone, thank you very much. Another episode with Talk with Peter. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed going for a little spin and toss. Thank you very much. Remember, like, share, subscribe, send it to your mates. Let's get more cool cars on the channel. Let's fix some more cool cars. You guys know where to check it out. Marketplace Motorsport. Bringing them back one at a time. We got this. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you very much for watching.